This is our Classics Tour over July 4th. It's a great time to be in the big cities in Boston and New York because the people that live there have left. They go away for the weekend and makes it nice. Yeah, plenty of room to get around. You don't have to get into the restaurants and all the stuff that we like to do. It's all a lot easier over July 4th weekend, and this one starts in New York City. We'll do a game at Citi Field first, and then off to Cooperstown the next day.
That's right.
As an option for the Classics.
That's right. You can either stay in the city and enjoy the city that day, or take the motor coach with us and go up to Cooperstown and see the Hall of Fame up there, and we'll come back and spend the evening in New York City that night. Free day the next day, and then go to the Yankees game that night.
Then off to Fenway Park, our VIP stadium experience there, as well as the game, Red Sox, and we'll stay in great hotels, in the heart of the city, actually. In both these cases, we'll be at the Sheraton Prudential Center in Boston, at the Westin Grand Central in New York City. You'll also have great seats for every game. We'll do a Big League Tours player experience while we're on the road, as well as you'll have a Big League Tours host with you to guide you every step of the way. So, if you have questions, give us a call or send an email, or click the brochure button there on the website, and we look forward to having you join us on the Classics Tour in July.